Welcome back in archx. In this video, I will show you how you can add a tag to the tasks that you create and how you can filter them on those tags in your tasks dashboard. So this is pretty easy for yourself when you are creating some tasks, how to manage them so you can add a tag to the task. For example, all the extra tasks, for example, could be tagged. Thinking about the tag I'm going to create here. You can add a tag, for example, let's say the Friday afternoon is your moment to do all these extra small tasks. Voila. And you will see that it has been added as a tag. So save this one. Then this other one is also extra, so I'll just give it the tag. And he remembers my tag, so I don't make mistakes or typos. And I save it, and I could, for example, this to-do list, it's from my coworker, but still, I would add my Friday afternoon, voila. And then in the tasks dashboard, where I have the overview of all my tasks, not just of this project, I can create a new card like this to filter them on their tags. So for this, I go in the right hand corner and I click on add. So I will create a new card, choose my tasks, because that makes it possible to edit the filter. And then in my tasks, if I go to the little gear, I can make it give it another name. So for example, Friday afternoon tasks. And then here on the tags, you will find my tags. Voila. Then I'll save. And I want this to be underneath my tasks. Voila, save layout. And then you will see I have my tasks that are assigned to me and not necessarily for Friday afternoons. And then the little tasks that I can finish up on a Friday afternoon. So these will be listed here. That's it. But you can totally play around with this and good luck.